This circuit missed a few years off the F1 calendar, and we missed Albert Park. So welcome back, and it's great to be back in Melbourne. Welcome to the Australian Grand Prix. So here we are at Albert Park Circuit, 3.28 miles around, with the streets making for a bumpy surface with little undulation. There are 14 corners around the lake, with the best passing opportunities coming at turn 1 and turn 3. So with the race not far away from starting, here's what today's grid rundown looks like.
We're at the back, but give it 100% and we can still come away with a decent result. I believe in you, come on.
They gave us a penalty. Sorry. have to retire.
The
I'm so
engine's
sorry.
gone for Carlos Sainz by a power unit problem. And oh dear, oh dear.
No, ready, no.
And he needs to get out of that Ferrari pretty quickly because you can see the flames at the rear of that car. He stopped it, it's off the track.